Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Virgos. We'll be picking a few cards for your daily energies, guys. These are for your daily energies, and I'll be picking two cards for your oracle guidance, guys. So this is for your work situation and this is for your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the cards now, Virgos, for your daily energies. Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, King of Swords. So with these cards here, Virgos, I see here that you are heading towards something really successful, some new ventures, some promising projects in your work situation, something really good for you, something which may work to your benefit, guys. So you are heading towards those choices today. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some new opportunities, guys. That is also the energy here. And you may be getting some gifts or something, some inheritance maybe for some of you all, maybe from your relative, parents, or some relatives maybe, guys. That is also the energy here. Something, some finance oriented gifts are coming, so some monetary gifts maybe, so you may be getting that. That is what I see here. And you are a person who commands great strength, authority maybe in your position. You may be a team leader or someone with certain power, so people look up to you for your decisions, and you are a pillar of strength. You are a person of determination, so you are ready for any situation. You assess any situation properly and take correct decisions, so people come to you for suggestions, guys. That is also what I see here, Virgos. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for our work situation. Mending. With this card, the energy for your work situation, guys, is that everyone makes mistakes. So we all make so many mistakes. So whatever choice we have made, it would not have given us prosperity sometimes. It would have led to failure or loss. So today we need to forgive ourselves and forgive others. We should not blame anyone, guys. We should start all over again, make wiser choices this time, mature choices. So when we do that, we will reach success. So the journey towards success is a bumpy road, guys. So trust that we need to make so many sacrifices, we need to face so many struggles to achieve what we want. So today we need to forget the hurts, forgive the people and forgive ourselves first, and we have to learn to let go of the past hurts and learn the lessons, only the lessons. So whatever we need to achieve. So when you see the situation from that perspective, you have lost nothing. You have learned a valuable lesson and a correct path to make things work for your benefit, guys. So that is what I see here with this card for your career situation, guys. So you don't have to feel that sorrow here. You need to mend your ways. That is the card. That is what the card is suggesting us. So let us see what is the card for our relationship. Loyal heart. Virgos, with this card for your relationship, guys, in your partnerships, friendships, or romantic relationship, we have many qualities in common. So when this person is showing devotion, love, affection and honesty towards you, are you showing it in return? So you must show it, guys. You must reciprocate those feelings. So when you reciprocate those feelings for this person, you will develop a positive, loving, caring, that divinely protected relationship, guys. So you need to go for that heartfelt commitment in your relationship. You have to go for that deep understanding. So that is the reading for your Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.